Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and on a current iOS release. Now open Settings, that's the gear icon on your home screen. Once inside, you'll look for Privacy and Security to access location controls. You do this because location services are grouped under Privacy. Enabling them from here gives apps permission management. If Settings prompts for your Apple ID later, sign in so changes persist across your devices and iCloud. Once in Privacy and Security, tap Location Services at the top and toggle it on. You'll see a list of apps. Choose permissions for each app individually, always while using the app, or never depending on how often the app needs your position. Make sure System Services at the bottom is checked for essential features like Find My and emergency calls. You're doing this to balance functionality with battery life and privacy, so pick the least permissive option that still lets the app work. After setting permissions, tap an app to enable or disable precise location if it needs exact coordinates. Leave it off for broader location privacy. Once done, test by opening the app and verifying location accuracy. If location seems wrong, restart the iPhone and ensure Wi-Fi or cellular is on because those help triangulate position. As a final troubleshooting step, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset Location and Privacy to restore defaults. This clears corrupt settings while keeping your data intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.